Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm down at Bundall Markets today and I've just started doing some shopping because I'm going to be cooking up a storm this afternoon when I go back home. So I'm on the coast today and I've been through, there's so much beautiful veggies down here, and I've met some of the farmers. I've just been to the guys, to Wendy, and she has a beautiful banana farm. I've got some magnificent pictures, so I'm going to show you all that soon. So guys, come with me through the markets and we're going to buy lots of exciting veggies to cook up. I can't wait to share all my recipes with you guys. Come with me, let's go shopping. It's going to be so fun. Make sure and grab your bags at the front where you buy the newspapers from, and we're going to get it all going for you. So have a great day. Talk soon. Bye-bye.
$4.90 a dozen, organic from $7.90. In the middle table there, you've got lemons, limes, apples, mandarins. Mix and match any 5 bags, and any combination.